What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Primal Groudon from Pokemon. Let's get started by drawing the ridges along the top of the head. So start right in the middle, start with a point. Now from here I'm going to angle up and out towards the left with a straight line. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now from here I'm going to come straight down and then bend that in towards the middle. So we'll start with the left. Straight down and then just bend that in. Let's go over towards the right. Down and then bend that in. Let's go back up to the top, angle down and out towards the side, and then angle up and out to another point. And then again we're just going to pull this down and in towards the middle. Bend that down and then in. Now we're going to slope down the side of the head. Start back on the left, come down, and then out. And we'll curve this in and then down towards the inside corner of the eyes. Let's start back on the left. Come in, and then bend that down. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath this curve. Let's start on the left side, draw a half circle, going around and back up. Let's line this up on the right, going around and then in. Let's add a smaller half circle in the center. Now we're going to go back to the center, step down, draw the top edge of the mouth. So right here, let's start with a point. And from here we're going to curve up and out towards the left, go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. And then from here we're just going to curve this down and then in. Now I'm going to go back up and finish off the eye, starting from the inside corner, angle up and out with a short line. And come down and in towards the top edge of the mouth. Let's move over, draw another angle line going up toward the eye. Now I'm just going to trace the eye along the outside, going all the way around and then up. Let's draw a straight angled line going up and out toward the side of the head. And then we're going to close off this gap. From the outside, step in, draw a straight angled line coming down. Now to work our way down towards the first set of spikes, starting on the left, curve out and then down with a short curve. Now we draw the socket of the spike, starting back on the left, curve in and then out. And from the outside, draw a straight angled line coming down and in to right about there. Then we'll connect the outside to the inside with a straight line. Let's move back up and draw in the spike. Starting from the top, angle down and out, and come down and in toward the bottom of the socket. Let's add another spike in behind the head. We're going to leave a gap, angle down and out, come down and in. Let's line this up. Let's go back in and draw the inside edge of the lower jaw, starting from the outside. Just going to curve this down in the middle, round this out, and then go up on the right. Let's draw that twice. We're going to step down, draw that again. Coming down and back up. And now we're going to draw in the top row of teeth, starting in the center, angle down and out toward the side, angle up and in. I'm just going to repeat this all the way out toward the side of the mouth. Down and up. And a couple more on either side. And we'll move down and draw on the bottom row of teeth. Starting in the center, we go up and then down. And again, we're just going to repeat this all the way out towards the side. Now I move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the waist. Do the same thing on the right. And it'll connect the hips with a curve, going up and then down. Now we're going to add some detail to the body. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, add another curve, going up and then down. Then from the left side, step up, curve in, and then down towards that line. Now do the same thing along the hips, stepping up, curve in, and down. I'm also going to add a spike on the side of the body. Let's start from the end of this line, and go down and out, come down and in. And we'll go back to the hips and draw the inside edge of the leg. Starting on the left, come in, and bend that down. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add another seam in between the legs. Go up and then down. We'll add that same detail. Stepping up on the left, curve in and then down. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. We're going to start on the left side, curve the leg going out and then down towards the heel. And then we'll flatten off the feet. Start with a straight line going out towards the first set of claws. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the first claw. We're going to go up and then bend that down. I'm just going to connect the tip to the inside with a curve, going up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I stack two more claws on either side. Let's start on the outside, go up and then down. Just take that back in and do that one more time. Let's go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. We're going to start on the left, curve the leg going out. Just going to bend this down to right about there. Then we'll curve the foot going out and down on top of the last claw. And now we're going to add some detail to the legs. Let's start on the outside with a half circle. Going in, then out. Line this up on the right. Now I'm going to trace this half circle along the inside, starting from the top, go all the way around. Just going to pull that in to right about there. And then from here, we're going to draw a straight line coming down on top of the claws. Let's step over, draw another straight line going up. And we'll curve that out and then down. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arm. Let's start with the rounded shoulders, starting from the side of the head. Just going to draw a half circle, going around and then back in towards the side of the body. And then from the inside of the shoulder, step out, just curve around that spike, and then down towards the first claw. Let's add the first claw, starting from the tip, so we curve this out, around, and then down on the inside of the arm. And similar to how we did with the feet, we're going to stack two more claws on the outside. Let's start on the top left, curve out, down, and then pull that in, taper that back up and in behind. Let's do that one more time. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And then go to the outside of the last claw, curve the arm going out, up, and then in toward the side of the shoulder. And now we're going to add some detail to the arms. Let's start from that center claw, start with a curve that goes up and in towards the middle, out and then down. Now I'm going to do the same thing on top of each claw. Let's go underneath the shoulder on the left, curve down, and then up, angle down and in. And then from the bottom, angle up and in towards the inside of the arm. Let's go up and tuck that in underneath the shoulders. Now we're going to add the tail coming down from the right side, in behind the legs, and up on the left. Let's start from the inside of the right leg, curve down, then out, in behind the left leg. Continue on the outside with a short curve, going out and up. Let's draw a straight angle line, going up and in, and pull the tail back in behind the leg. Let's add some stripes inside the tail. I'm going to take this line, step in, and draw that again, going up towards the top. Now in the center, just draw two angled lines. Now we're going to add those claws on the end of the tail, starting from the bottom, angle up and out, go straight up. Now we're just going to draw a short angle line, coming down and in, and then follow that same angle line coming back in towards the tail. Let's layer some more claws along the top, starting from this point, draw a straight line going up, angle down and in, and back in towards the tail. Let's do that again, going up, in behind the hand, and go back down. Now from the inside, we're just going to pull this up in behind the claws, and that's pretty much it. There's Primal Groudon from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.